Hello everyone. I've heard there is another Lego fan in my wife's family, so we will have a look and see what they have. Mickey's mother is actually a Lego fan. So how do people of her generation store their expensive sets? Oka-san. Oka-san, I heard you have an expensive Lego set.
レゴセット高いの持ってるって聞いたけど。
持ってるよ、どうぞ。見る？
Okay. Now, you're a fan of Lego.
レゴファンでしょ？
So you have an expensive Lego set. What do you have?
高いレゴを持ってるって聞いたけど、何を持ってるの？
Bugatti.
Bugatti? Oh, very expensive. Now, where do you keep your Bugatti?
どこにブガッティを保管してるの？
Bugatti はね、でか。
What? What's happened to it? Okay, let's take this down and have a look. Oh, now this is a very expensive set, but I suppose it's protected. Okay, so you can see this is well covered, also in dust, but the car is protected. So, Oka-san, why did you cover this in plastic wrap?
ほこりかぶるのと部品がちょっと当たってもすぐ取れるから。
So to stop the dust and because if you knocked it, the parts fell off, and she didn't want to lose the parts. Now, another question: why not a display case?
ディスプレイケースは高いから、オーダーメイドで作るから高い。
Because it's a big set, she would need to order a custom display case, and it would be too expensive. And how much does this car cost?
61,000円。
So 60,000 Japanese yen, about $600 US, $580, $600. So now, this is how Japanese people of an older generation seem to store their Lego sets. So I still find it very funny. So you built the Lego set, and do you enjoy displaying your car in this beautiful wrap?
サランラップに包んでな、高いレゴをディスプレイしてな、満足したって、組むのが楽しかったかって。
組むのは楽しかった。1週間かかった。でも今はほこりかぶってるから意味ないじゃん。
So building it was fun. It took about a week, but she covered it. But it's still now it's covered in dust anyway. Yeah. So how do you guys store your Lego sets? This is just one way you can store your Lego set. Glad wrap is very cheap. You can get $1 store or 100 yen shop. So please send me pictures of your collection or how you store your Lego. Oh, yes, I should say thank you to her. Yes.
Okay.
And thank you, Oka-san, for showing us your Lego, and I look forward to your next Star Wars movie. So the cameraman is laughing too much, but I don't want to say anything. So you built the Lego car and you enjoy building it. Do you enjoy displaying it in this in this plastic wrap? Is it worth 60,000 yen to display it like this? You can see it's well covered and it's got a lot of dust on it. But let's ask Mickey's mother why she did this. So, Oka-san, why did you cover this in plastic wrap?